Today, we're delving into the 10 things not to do with durian fruit. This unique produce is often crowned as the king of fruits. With its formidable size, distinctive spikes, and rich custard-like flesh, it's no wonder this fruit commands such respect. But it's not without controversy. Its smell and taste, a blend of sweet, savory, and something entirely unique, divide opinions. So let's dive into the 10 things you should never do with a durian fruit. Starting with number 1 on our list. It's crucial not to mix durian fruit with alcohol. This tropical fruit contains high levels of sulfur, which can inhibit the body's ability to metabolize alcohol, leading to a rapid buildup of acetaldehyde. This can cause symptoms ranging from nausea to palpitations and in some cases, severe alcohol poisoning. Next, let's delve into point number 2. Durian is infamous for its strong smell, which is why it's not advisable to store it in a closed space. The pungent aroma can permeate your entire home, and it can be quite challenging to get rid of. So remember, always store your durian in a well-ventilated area, or better yet, consume it right away. Finally, number 3 on our list is to avoid durian if you have certain health conditions. Its high sugar and potassium content can be harmful for people with diabetes or kidney disease. So always consult your doctor before indulging. Now, moving on to the next set of points. Continuing with our list, at number 4 we have a crucial piece of advice. Never eat durian on an empty stomach. This king of fruits is rich in carbohydrates and sugar, and while it's undeniably delicious, it can be quite heavy. Eating it on an empty stomach could lead to bloating or an upset stomach, so always have a little something before you dive into this delectable delight. Moving on to the 5th point, it's all about what not to pair with durian. Perhaps surprising to some, but it's actually not recommended to consume durian with caffeine. Both are stimulants and, when combined, they can potentially increase your heart rate to an uncomfortable level. So next time you're thinking about that durian and coffee combo, you might want to reconsider. And finally, rounding up this portion of our list at number 6, we have a piece of advice for those looking to share their love of durian across borders. Never ship durian without proper packaging. The durian's notorious smell, while adored by fans, is not universally appreciated. Without the right packaging, the strong aroma can permeate and potentially offend. Trust me, your mail carrier will thank you. Let's proceed to the next points on our list. We're nearing the end of our list, and at number 7 we have a rather unique point. Avoid using durian as a weapon. Yes, you heard right. While its spiky exterior might make it seem like an effective tool for self-defense, it's crucial to remember that durian is a fruit, not a weapon. Its thorns can cause serious injuries, so it's best to keep it on your plate, not in your armory. Moving on to point 8, we advise you not to eat durian before heading to a public place. The pungent aroma of this fruit is known to linger, and not everyone appreciates its distinctive scent. So if you're planning on a social gathering or a meeting, it might be best to save the durian feast for afterwards. Next up, at number 9, is a point about portion control. While it can be tempting to indulge in the creamy goodness of durian, remember that it's quite high in calories. Overeating durian may lead to unwanted weight gain, so it's important to enjoy this delicacy in moderation. Finally, rounding off our list at number 10, we urge you not to discard durian shells carelessly. These shells can take a long time to decompose, posing an environmental concern. Dispose of them responsibly, perhaps by composting to reduce waste and give back to the environment. There you have it, the final points on our list of things not to do with durian fruit. In conclusion, durian is a unique fruit with various considerations for its consumption and handling. Today, we've journeyed through 10 key points to bear in mind, each emphasizing the importance of being aware and respectful of this distinctive fruit. From its potent aroma to its delicate handling and even its storage, every aspect is crucial. The next time the king of fruits crosses your path, remember these 10 points. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the king of fruits. Remember these 10 points the next time you encounter a durian, and ensure you enjoy this fruit responsibly.